If Rachel Ray can do it, I can do it. Rachel Ray makes dog food. We're gonna make a cat cake. So first thing we're going to do is realize that a lot of people don't know what mackerel is. So we have tuna. Everyone's familiar with tuna. Most people are somewhat familiar with sardines. Make sure you get the ones in the water. They're like little fishes in a can. Kind of disgusting.
Yucky for most humans. Yummy for cats.
Oh, they're actually pretty good if you put them on crackers and stuff. And then mackerel, this is a whole new type of critter. Well, not really, it's fish, but it is little fishes in a can. And these have the spinal bone still in them. You can open one up and pull that out if you really wanted to, or cats can eat and digest this because cats are a hypercarnivore.
And the bones look
They crush real easy. Here, grab one. Grab one. Get your fingers in there. Grab it. See how it just breaks right apart? You squeeze it in your fingers and it turns to mush. That's why they're edible, even for humans. I just don't like eating them because they're kind of crunchy.
Probably don't taste good.
Yeah, they're kind of crunchy. It's weird.
Scratch.
So, what we're going to do is we're going to have to make Gianna a birthday cake. But since we got the other cats too, we're going to make them some little cake too, so they don't try to fight her for it.
Yeah.
Well, we got these 3 items, and Gianna likes cheese, so we're going to use cheese to make a flame. So first thing you want to do is, you want to make the boys' ones?
Yep.
All right, I'll make Gianna's and one of the boys, and you make one of the other. You make your cats. So you take that and put that in the middle. I'm pulling out the bones for her. And take another one, put a second half in the middle. Yep. You're making a nice layer at the bottom. We'll put some for Elliot. If you split that right in half down the middle, they open right up with your fingers. And that way you can pull out the bones. See how it opened right up? You pull out the bones right away.
The bones are hollow.
Yes, they are.
Which is probably why they're edible.
Oh, they're edible because they've been boiled and pressurized. That destroys the consistency of the bone and makes it solid.
Dad, Can I go wash my hands?
No, you're going to get really dirty hands, so just wait on that.
Okay.
Okay, so you got a good base of mackerel at the bottom. Now we want to take some tuna fish. So just get in there and get a clump of tuna fish and do that.
When it's your cat's birthday, you can do this.
Do another clump right in the middle. Make like like a snowball of it. One clump. Clump.
Clump.
Okay. Now we take sardine. Try to find a whole one. These are kind of mushied. And you're going to put that right in the middle of the clump of tuna. Like that. Put a couple sardines around the edge. Just because I don't feel like eating sardines, and I know you won't eat them. Now the last part, I want to add a flame. Gianna's a weird cat. She likes American cheese.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that, well, the fish is too thin. I was hoping I could stick that right on top there like that. But instead we're just going to put it right there like that. Make a little cheese flame. See, it kind of looks like a cheese flame. Put a little more on there. Take a smaller piece. And I'm going to fold that the same. So that's even more like a little flame. All right. You want to sing happy birthday to the cat? Unfortunately, I can't because I think it's still copyrighted and YouTube would still get mad at us. So, you can put those over there for the other cats. I'll set this one down for the Chi.
Scratch. Here's your
Gianna.
birthday cake.
Gianna, happy birthday to you. So, girl kitty, is that yummy? Huh? See, that's a whole lot of fish for me. Different types of fish.
My cat's having his.
Alright, show Scratch. Ellie cat loves his too. Just put it down in the thing. He'll find it. He'll be there in a minute.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's.
Oh yeah, you got some cat cake over here.
Well, the cat cake is approved. The cats love it. I don't feel like eating any of it. Do you? No, I think it's just best for cat food that way. This has been Real Easy Cooking with Robert, and we're done.
She's too interested in that fish. Let's see your birthday. We gave you everything you like.